Oh my god, it's been so long to record it. Sorry for not recording so long. I was doing something. That's on Dua. And yeah, so the new summer update came out, and the rainy flashback cosmetics. But I didn't get to cover it, and something happened to mine, which I already saw. But sorry for taking so long. And we're super close to 200 subscribers. We're at 183 at the moment I'm recording this. Yeah, thank you so much. Also, just so you know, this is a new VR, so I have different cosmetics. So first, let's get covered on the beach map. Also, join the code It's Crazy VR if you want the chance to be in one of my videos. And look, the tunnel's open. And if you pay too close attention, you can see this is in the screenshot. Yeah. Alright. Come down this tunnel. Over here, you got a zip line down. Oh, I missed that. And yes, there's new water. Also, there's white crystals over there. Oh, I made it. So, this is the new beach update. The beach map. Got zip lines. These cabanas or whatever. Got the leaderboard. And then here you got the game mode, the computer, and this place where you can equip your cosmetics. You got these shades, like umbrellas, that if you jump on, they give you get a boost. And you also have over here a diving board. You know, there's the ropes and the rocket ship. Like this, you do this. And this, the best part, the water physics. You can swim. And yeah. So that's kind of all I'm going to cover in the beach map. And yeah. And yeah, caves got got rock slides. I don't know if you can put like umbrellas through it. I mean, yeah, you can. There's this little crease down here. Let's see if we can get an umbrella in. Wait. Yeah, I can hear the water. I mean, it hasn't melted. I thought it was gonna melt, just like everybody else. But yeah. Now time for the cosmetics. So, first I'm gonna do the rainy flashback. So you got this umbrella, you got this umbrella, you got the gold umbrella, which if you look into it, whichever map you're in, it shows you that map. Like, since I'm in city, it shows me city in the basement update. Yeah, so you got this like green jacket or whatever. You got the boots. That boot, the sky boot, and the best boot, the one boot. Same thing, Sea City in the basement update. You got this egg, and you got this hat. So yep, you got this creepy balloon. I'm gonna see if I can. I got the balloon. Got this. You got this hat, got shapes, the octopus, got this shark. Yeah, it kind of glitched right now. You got this ice cream that you can eat. You got this umbrella that I already have, the beach umbrella, the hot dog. Yep. And you got this. Like this lifeguard stuff, got these floaties, this pina colada, And got the shark head that I own, and you got these sick glasses. These are good. You got this shirt, whatever this is. I don't like someone buy this. And my favorite one, the duck floaty. As some of you guys know, my favorite animal are ducks. And yeah. There's one more thing I need to cover. This summer FlashBack. So you got $10 shiny rocks. So you got this scuba diving hat, this tank, oxygen tank, and you got this, which shows you the depth in the ocean that you're in. That's kinda all. Yeah, that's all for the new summer update and the rainy cosmetics. Is it just me, or is it always raining in city? Anyways, that's all for the summer and rainy update. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. So we're close to 200 subscribers. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.